How to log into a Gmail account on your desktop or your laptop. So what we'll need to do is we have to open any Google browser here, and after opening your Google browser or Google Chrome, what you'll simply do is you'll search for your Gmail email or Gmail here, and after searching for it you'll get it official website and you'll click on it. And after clicking you will see a lot of option here like create an account, or you can add your email option. We'll simply click on the, I will just show you how we can create an account. We can click on it and you'll click on your personal or anything. You have to add your first name and your last name as well. And after you're adding your both name, what you can do is you can simply click on next, and after clicking on next you have to add your birth dates, your phone number, and after getting the phone number you will have to add the code, and that is how you can create a new Gmail account. Here I will simply add my Gmail account and click on next, and I will add my password here. And after adding my password you will click on the next, and after clicking on next you will simply click on continue, and you have to add your biometric if your laptop had that option. Then after that you have to click on continue and next, and you will click on done. And yeah, that is how you can log into a Gmail account